Don't use switches. Oh yeah. By the way, this is an ugly one. Check this out. Number 2. Don't couple. I literally coupled the content of the XML put in L and used here. And this B is defined up there. I have a reason why I made it a string yes. By the way, this is how PHP works, if you didn't know. So yeah, if I change the text, I probably want to change these things as well. Rule number 3. Group things nicely like a normal human being. Which kind of begs the question, do I know what I'm doing? Come on, don't break my bar. Anyway. So, I'm actually pretty good with directories. I actually know how to make directories, I know how to search in them, I know how to do all kinds of things. And yet I prefer this style. So this is the result of multiple rewrites of this website, one major, and in it, like, I changed a whole bunch of things before I reached here, and I always had this tendency to decouple and abstract, and the first version was like PHP functions that return strings. By the way, this is the website this far. It's not, I haven't published it yet. Once it's done, I'm gonna publish it. You can tell that the CSS behind it is very simple. Links still look like links, and it has Greek. So, the same thing as you would find in Tailwind CSS. They should do it, yeah. The bar didn't break. Background 1, foreground 1, font 1, margin 0, line height 1, max width 1, margin 0 auto, and so on. The same mindset. Basically, I don't decouple, I abbreviate. And abbreviating helps me basically couple everything together. Now it's all fully coupled. And look at how beautiful the result is. Because I've seen some kind of nasty PHP in my life, which is a very short life, and I haven't actually seen a lot of PHP. But by doing this is like type checking for PHP. This thing, because up to here, this is guaranteed to be there. PHP, I don't know of any way to jump above using these PHP tags to include something that's gonna jump from here to there without including these. So this is like somebody looking at this code. There's only so many guesses they can make as to what I'm going for. There's clearly a header with nav and something inside of it. He just doesn't know what is inside of it. That's it. A very fascinating sort of discovery. By the way, these XML files, look at how simple they are. If they look flat, they are flat. They don't have any depth to them because the depth is all handled by the HTML PHP. This is the HTML PHP, which has the P's and the A's and the like all of the things. And if I want to put quotes, the quotes would be handled here. I would just skip the quotes in the XML and chop off the strings there. Just like I do here. Touched Rust awk J slightly in TypeScript. This reads like a goofy short version of the real thing, just like CSS does. And this is the top of the file. This is the more PHP part, and below is the more HTML part. So I kind of, because there are multiple languages, there's PHP, there is HTML, there is CSS, I kind of try to bubble them up, but I don't really try to decouple them. I love Robert Martin, right? His talks have put me to sleep multiple times. I love Kent Beck. Oh, I love Kent. Who doesn't? I love Dave Thomas. I actually like Dave Farley as well, and Alan Holub, and I love listening to all of them. But sometimes you don't want abstraction. What good would abstraction do here, at least thus far? Once the website is semi-done, I expect to make another video. Just thought to share this far what's going on.